My name is Jared Morgan with Bradshaw & Will. I'm an insurance agent, and we're going to discuss how to get a quote for renter's insurance as a business. If you're a business and you don't own your building and you rent from a building owner, then you're probably going to be required to purchase at least general liability coverage, and you're going to have to name your building owner as additional insured. Now, if you own contents or if you've made improvements to the building or the space you lease, you'll also want to get property coverage for the contents and the improvements and betterments you've made to the space. How do you get a quote for this? Insurance agents sell insurance, and they sell business insurance for businesses like you. I would encourage you to find a reputable agent in your area. There's both independent agents who represent many companies and what we call captive agents who only represent one company. In my experience, independent agents do the best job of offering good advice on addressing your exposure, as opposed to captive agents who only sell one product, and if they can't insure your exposure well, they don't worry about it because they're selling one product. Independent agents can generally, you can find somebody who can refer you to an independent agent, or you can look for them on the internet or in the phone book. I would encourage you to talk to other people who rent in your building and ask them who they buy insurance from. And our business is driven by competition, and pricing is driven down by competition. So I would encourage you to talk to one insurance agent who's an independent, ask them to provide a quote from multiple companies. And if you're not comfortable after discussing your exposure with that agent, or if you want to find a second opinion, I'd encourage you to talk to maybe one more independent agent to get a quote. I would hesitate to tell you to contact a lot, because what happens is your business, your account will be sent to some of the same companies by different agents, and in that case you may not get as good a pricing because people feel like you're calling everybody in town. Two agents, ask for referrals, and go with the agent you feel comfortable with after discussing your exposure and your needs on insurance. My name is Jared Morgan with Bradshaw & Will. We've been discussing how to get an insurance quote for your business.